Hi there. Today's video is very important because I'm going to give you 100 real-life English conversations that you can use at home with your family members. As you know, we are learning English step by step. We are progressing step by step. But when we speak with our family members, we don't know what to speak, how to speak. So these simple and easy sentences can help you to speak confidently with your family. So let's start without any delay. No one. Good morning, son. Wake up. It's time to get up. Time to get up. Good morning. Mum, are you awake? Yes, I'm awake. Let me get up. Number 2, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I want to eat an egg, please. Okay, I'll make it. 3, who cleans the table? I'll clean the table. No, you clean today. Okay, Mum. 4, can I watch TV now? Yes, of course. You can watch TV after breakfast. Okay. 5, may I go out to play? Sure, you can go out to play after you finish your homework. Okay. 6, can I buy an ice cream? Sure, but only one. Okay. 7, which is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is science, and yours, mathematics. I like math. 8, would you like to go to the park? Yes, I would love to go to the park. Great, let's go. 9, what did you do on Saturday? On Saturday, we went to the mall. We went to the mall. That's nice. 10, I have cleaned my room. That's very good. You have cleaned your room. I'm very happy. 11, good morning, Dad. Good morning, son. Where are you going? I'm going to school. Are you going to school? Yes, I am. Be careful. Okay, Dad, I will. Bye, bye. 12, good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Students, how are you? I'm fine, ma'am. How are you? I'm also fine. 13, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is an apple. What about you? My favorite fruit is a mango. 14, what is your favorite game? My favorite game is football. What about you? My favorite game is basketball. 15, would you like to come to my birthday party? Sure, I would love to come to your birthday party. Really? Yes. 16, how old are you? I'm 14 years old. How old are you? I'm also 14 years old. 17, what is your phone number? My phone number is 123456789. What's your phone number? My phone number is 987654321. 18, how do you go to school? I go to school by bike. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. 19, which is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is Pizza Hut. What about you? My favorite restaurant is KFC 20. Would you like to go to the beach? Yes, I would love to go to the beach. Really? Yes. 21, what did you do on Sunday? On Sunday, we went to the church. We went to the church. That's nice. 22, I have completed my homework. That's very good. You have completed your homework. I'm very happy. 23, good morning, Dad. Good morning, daughter. Where are you going? I'm going to college. Are you going to college? Yes, I am. Be careful. Okay, Dad. I will bye. 24. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. How are you? I'm fine, ma'am. How are you? I'm also fine. 25. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish is fried rice. What about you? My favorite dish is pasta. 26. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. What about you? My favorite book is The Lord of the Rings. 27. Would you like to come to my birthday party? Sure, I would love to come to your birthday party. Really? Yes. 28. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. How old are you? I'm also 18 years old. 29. What is your phone number? My phone number is 987-654-3210. What's your phone number? My phone number is 1234567893030. How do you go to college? I go to college by car. How do you go to college? I go to college by metro. 31. Which is your favorite shopping mall? My favorite shopping mall is the Dubai Mall. What about you? My favorite shopping mall is the Mall of America. 32. Would you like to go to the water park? Yes, I would love to go to the water park. Really? Yes. 33. What did you do on Saturday? On Saturday, we went to the amusement park. We went to the amusement park. That's nice. 34. I have cleaned my room. That's very good. You have cleaned your room. I'm very happy. 35. Good evening, Mum. Good evening, Beta. What did you do today? I went to the market with Dad. We went to the market. That's nice. 36. When will you have dinner? I'll have dinner at 8 p.m. When will you have dinner? I'll have dinner at 7 p.m. 37. Would you like to watch a movie tonight? Yes, I would love to watch a movie tonight. Really? Yes. 38. What's your favorite TV program? My favorite TV program is Friends. What's your favorite TV program? My favorite TV program is Black Mirror. 39. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV every day. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV every night. 40. Which channel do you like most? I like Discovery Channel. Which channel do you like most? I like Animal Planet. 41. What did you do on Sunday? On Sunday, we went to the beach. We went to the beach. That's nice. 42. I have completed my project. That's very good. You have completed your project. I'm very happy. 43. Good evening, Mum. Good evening, daughter. What did you do today? I went to the market with Dad. We went to the market. That's nice. 44. When will you have dinner? I'll have dinner at 8 p.m. When will you have dinner? I'll have dinner at 7 p.m. 45. Would you like to watch a movie tonight? Yes, I would love to watch a movie tonight. Really? Yes. 46. What's your favorite TV program? My favorite TV program is This Is Us. What's your favorite TV program? My favorite TV program is Modern Family. 47. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV every night. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV every day. 48. Which channel do you like most? I like Star Life. Which channel do you like most? I like Star Plus. 49. What did you do on Saturday? On Saturday, we went to the mall. We went to the mall. That's nice. 50. I have cleaned my room. That's very good. You have cleaned your room. I'm very happy. 51. Good morning, son. Good morning, Dad. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm also fine. 52. May I use your phone? Sure, here it is. Thanks. 53. Where is the bathroom? It's just down the hall on the left. Thanks. 54. Can I help you with something? No, thank you. Nothing. 55. What's your name? My name is student's name. Nice to meet you. 56. How do you spell your name? My name is spelled student's name. 57. Where are you from? I'm from City. 58. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is student's favorite food. What's yours? 59. What's your hobby? My hobby is student's hobby. 60. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. 61. Excuse me. Where is the post office? It's over there on the right. Thank you. 62. Could you please tell me the time? Sure, it's time. Thank you. 63. Excuse me. Is this seat taken? No, it isn't. Thanks. 64. Would you mind if I sat here? Not at all. 65. Excuse me. Could you repeat that, please? Of course. 66. I'm sorry, I don't understand. 67. Excuse me, could you pass me the salt, please? Certainly. 68. Thank you for your advice. You're welcome. 69. Excuse me, could you open the window, please? Sure. 70. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. 71. Excuse me, where is the nearest ATM? It's just around the corner. Thank you. 72. Could you please tell me the way to the hotel? Sure, it's straight ahead. Thank you. 73. Excuse me, is this the right way? Yes, it is. 74. Could you please buy me a coffee? Certainly. 75. Excuse me, could you fix this chair? Of course. 76. Thank you for inviting me. You're welcome. 77. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? It's over there. Thank you. 78. Could you please show me your ID? Sure, here it is. 79. Excuse me, could you give me a hand? Certainly. 80. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. 81. Excuse me, could you lend me $10? Sure, here it is, thanks. 82. Excuse me, could you tell me the weather forecast? Of course. 83. Excuse me, where is the supermarket? It's just down the street. Thank you. 84. Could you please buy me a bread? Certainly. 85. Excuse me, could you repair this lamp? Of course. 86. Thank you for the birthday wishes. You're welcome. 87. Excuse me, where is the library? It's just around the corner. Thank you. 88. Could you please show me the way to the bank? Sure, it's straight ahead. Thank you. 89. Excuse me, is this the way? Yes, it is. 90. Could you please close the door? Certainly. 91. Excuse me, where is the restroom? It's just down the hall on the left. Thank you. 92. Could you please pass me the water? Sure. 93. Excuse me, could you turn off the light? Of course. 94. Thank you for the information. You're welcome. 95. Excuse me. Where is the train station? It's just around the corner. Thank you. 96. Could you please show me the way to the park? Sure, it's straight ahead. Thank you. 97. Excuse me, is this the right way? Yes, it is. 98. Could you please buy me a soda? Certainly. 99. Excuse me, could you fix this table? Of course. 100. Thank you for your support. You're welcome. See you next time.